Hey guys, it's Adam back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on PC build guide recommendations. And today I'm only going to be doing one PC because 10-minute videos are quite hard to make, and I only have a few minutes to make this video and upload it for you guys today since I made a video yesterday. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So starting off, we have the Intel Core i5-7600K. This is an overclockable processor and I definitely recommend this. And you might be able to do some video editing on this, but that's about it. Gaming, it will perform exceptionally. You don't really need an i7 for gaming. i5s will do perfectly fine, and with the overclocking it will definitely excel in gaming. So for the motherboard to go along with this overclocking CPU, we have the Asus Strix Z270i Gaming Mini ITX motherboard. This has Wi-Fi built in, and it has an RGB strip which looks very nice on the board. It has 2 DIMM slots of RAM, so you can't really upgrade that much for RAM, but it doesn't have any other PCIe Express slots apart from the single graphics card slot, so no SLI from this motherboard. So for the graphics card, we have the Asus RX 570 overclocking graphics card, which has 4GB of RAM. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit down. My throat really hurts, and I'm sorry about this. I've just been to the hairdresser and I think I swallowed some hair. Yeah, not the best thing for recording. Not as professional as always. Anyway, so for the RAM, we have the Corsair CMX 16GB, and it is 3000 MHz, and it's decent RAM. Not much else to say about it. So for the case, we have the Fantex Entho Evolve ITX Mini chassis, and it looks very nice. It's very small, compact, and I just really like the look of it. So for the power supply, we have the Corsair CX 550M. It's a semi-modular power supply, so it'll be very decent, but obviously you might want to upgrade if you are thinking of maybe changing the motherboard and changing the case as well and putting 2 graphics cards in. Then you will want to have a slightly higher PSU wattage. Anyway, so for the liquid cooler, we have the Corsair Hydro Series H100i 240mm radiator. This is a decent overclocking liquid cooler, and I definitely recommend it. So we have a 1TB hard drive, which is very decent. I definitely recommend this. It will fit all your games and all your videos if you do make videos, and that's basically about it. So we have a 500GB Samsung 850 EVO, and it's a very good SSD. I definitely recommend it. The price is very good. And if I haven't said already, this gaming PC ranks to about $1,200 or 1,100 Great British pounds, which is a very decent price for this. But I do think maybe an i7 for video editing and a less powerful graphics card if you do want to stay in this price range but do video editing, even though the i5 will do just fine. So guys, that is it. I'm really sorry, my voice is really bad right now, and I just want to upload this video for you guys. It's not the best, and I will be doing some better quality videos in the future next week, and I will just try as hard as possible, but I will definitely try as hard as possible this week as well, if my voice is still up to it. Anyway guys, that is it for the video, and I will see you in the next one.